In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add diamond zoom and halo blur effects in CapCut. These two effects can take your video edits to the next level, whether you're looking for a dramatic zoom transition or a soft, dreamy blur. CapCut makes it easy to customize these effects, so you can tailor them to fit your specific project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to create professional-looking edits with just a few simple steps. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the diamond zoom effect. Open the Effects tab, which you'll find in the top left menu of CapCut. Once you're there, type diamond zoom into the search bar located within the Effects panel. This is the quickest way to locate the specific effect we'll be working with. Searching directly saves you the trouble of scrolling through the entire list of effects. Once you've found the diamond zoom effect, drag it onto your video timeline. Simply click and hold the effect, then drop it precisely over the clip you want to enhance. Make sure it's positioned exactly where you want the effect to take place. This will ensure it blends seamlessly into your edit. Next, click the effect on the timeline to select it. Doing this opens the settings panel on the right side of the screen. From here, you can customize the effect to suit your needs. Start by adjusting the speed slider. This controls how quickly the zoom effect occurs. If you're aiming for a smooth, gradual zoom, lower the speed. Alternatively, if you want something more dramatic and attention-grabbing, increase the speed. Then move on to the strength slider. This sets the intensity of the diamond effect. If you're going for a bold, energetic look, increase the strength. On the other hand, for a more subtle and gentle effect, dial it down. Finally, adjust the size setting. This controls the amount of bokeh or blurred light visible in the zoom. Larger bokeh creates a cinematic, dreamy feel, whereas smaller bokeh keeps things understated and minimal. Don't forget about the horizontal slider. This allows you to blend between the normal scene and the diamond bokeh effect. If you set the value above 50, you'll emphasize the diamond zoom effect. If you set it below 50, it transitions back toward the normal scene. Now let's move into the halo blur effect. Head back to the Effects tab and this time, search for halo blur. Once you've located it, drag the effect onto your video timeline, just like you did earlier. Drop it over the specific clip you want to enhance. Click the effect to open the settings panel on the right side, where you can start fine-tuning its appearance. Begin with the intensity slider, which controls the strength of the blur. For a subtle, soft focus, keep the intensity low. If you want to hide background details or really highlight your subject, increase the intensity for a stronger blur. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see additional sliders to refine the effect even further. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect look for your video. Just keep in mind that the available controls might vary depending on which version of CapCut you're using. So don't worry if you don't see every option mentioned here. Next up, let's talk about layering and animation. To keep your effects organized, place each one on its own layer in the timeline. This way, you can tweak or remove each effect independently without affecting the others. Once you've layered your effects, take advantage of keyframing. Keyframing allows you to animate your effects by setting points in the timeline where the effect changes. CapCut will automatically transition between these points, creating a smooth, dynamic look. While keyframing may take a little practice, it's worth mastering to add more depth and movement to your edits. And for the final part of this tutorial, let's explore masking. This is especially useful for the halo blur effect. After adding the effect to your video, open the Mask tool in CapCut. With the Mask tool, you can paint or define the specific area where you want the blur to appear. This is perfect for selectively applying the blur to the background while keeping your subject sharp and in focus. It's a great way to draw attention to the most important part of your scene while softening everything else. So now you know exactly how to add and customize diamond zoom and halo blur effects in CapCut. With these tools, you'll be able to create polished, professional edits that stand out. If you have any questions or want to share your results, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.